do you wanna go? We can make it feel like home.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna introduce you a screen we produced and installed recently for our clients. It's like customized screen. This is an indoor screen. The pixel of this screen is 1.8 and it has glue-on-board technology, which means you can touch the surface of the screen. It's very smooth and waterproof. This is customized by our client for the school using. Okay. So if you're interested in this product, please contact us.
Let's go.